In a land far away, on a mountain peak, there stood a tree unlike any other. This tree was the home to a most unusual blossom, the rare and exotic blossom. The rare and exotic blossom was unique, its petals shimmering in hues of gold and purple, and it emitted a fragrance that could captivate all who caught a whiff. Word of this blossom reached the neighboring villages, and many adventurers set out to find it. They sought the blossom, hoping to harness its beauty for their own gain. One day, a humble gardener heard of the rare and exotic blossom. Intrigued, he embarked on a journey to see it for himself. Upon reaching the mountain peak, he found the tree and the blossom. He stood in awe, taking in its beauty. But instead of cutting it down, he knelt and offered a heartfelt prayer. "O rare and exotic blossom," he said, "I have traveled far to see your beauty. But I see now that you are more than just a blossom. You are a symbol of the rare and the exotic, the unique and the beautiful. I ask that you grant me your wisdom, that I may share it with the world." The blossom, touched by the gardener's reverence, granted his wish. The gardener returned to his village, sharing the blossom's wisdom with all who would listen. From then on, the rare and exotic blossom was no longer just a beautiful flower. It became a symbol of humility, of respect, and of the power of sharing knowledge. Moral: the real treasure is not in what we seek, but in the wisdom we gain along the way. Always treat the world with reverence, for there is beauty and wisdom in everything.